We are with Kyrylo Khomiakov from Binance. So, how are you, Kyrylo?
All good, thank you very much.
How is this conference for you in Romania?
I was not on the first day, but the second day is really cool.
As Binance General Manager in Ukraine and Central and Eastern Europe, what are some of the key responsibilities and goals that you have?
The main thing is building the regulatory compliance and partnering with the regulators in our Central and Eastern European countries. Also building the crypto adoption to help more and more users get into the Web3 and the blockchain. And thirdly, be a very user focused and the community driven in every country. So we really believe that localizing of our content, localizing of our presence and being communicating with the local users is the key of the Binance success in every country. So that's, let's say, three pillars of our strategy.
Okay, I see. Can you share with us some of the challenges you face in implementing Binance global marketing strategy in CEE and how you've overcome them?
Yeah, so basically one is that there is still no crypto regulation. Like it's not for the CE, it's like everywhere. The crypto regulation is not in place. And that's why we are partnering with the regulators to help them adopt the best regulation, getting our overall experience globally. Binance is the most licensed crypto exchange. We're having more than 50 licenses globally, excluding US. The second thing is to regain the users' trust and the regulators' trust that happened after a couple of the significant frauds in the industry that happened last year. So, as the industry leader, we are still working to regain this users' trust as soon as possible. And thirdly is to build, and that's our most important mission, is to build the localized and the user focus for our users that they can use every day to expand the crypto adoption. So, yeah.
Well, how do you approach building relationships with government authorities in the countries you oversee, and what role do they play in regulating the crypto industry?
Yeah, so we are very open, and our task is the same as with the regulators. We want every country to be regulated as soon as possible because once the regulation is in place, it actually creates a big opportunities for the countries in terms of the number of projects, in terms of the taxes, in terms of people engaged in the crypto business, more investments from abroad. So every country is interested to build the regulation, and Binance is interested to build the regulation in every country. So our goal is the same. So we are very open and very friendly with every government. We are sharing our experience from legal, from compliance, from the KYC, tax, etc. Because we have a big team that is responsible of this and a lot of experience. So we are helping local regulators to build the regulation and advise them. We usually sign the MOU, Memorandum of Understanding, with the regulators, and as partners, advisors, help them to apply regulation.
So we can say that if governments accept this cryptocurrency and blockchain, they will develop their countries. We can say that.
Absolutely, because this sector will be growing very fast, and it will also have another sectors to grow, like IT, blockchain, traditional finance, education. Everything will be growing very fast. It will increase number of jobs, it will increase investments, it will increase the GDP. So absolutely, the effect will be fantastic.
How do you approach building? Can you discuss any upcoming initiatives or projects that Binance has planned for the CE region, and what impact you hope they will have?
Yeah, sure. And I will not even talk about the wider CE. I will be talking about Romania specifically because Romania is a very important market for us.
Why?
Yeah. So next, why is it important?
Yes.
Because there is a lot of talented people. There is a lot of IT talents. The price of the IT talents is still relatively low in Romania compared to the other European countries. And we see a lot of the crypto adoption, a lot of blockchain, a lot of people interested. So I think there is a very bright future in the blockchain and Web3 for Romania. And in terms of the upcoming initiatives, next week we are launching Binance School, because we want to increase financial literacy for the people. Still around 80% plus of the people, they don't know how it works, they don't know the risks, they don't know the opportunities. So we are launching the course when people can learn and earn, get the NFT certificate in the end, and become more advanced in the crypto, in financial literacy, in safety of their funds. This is one thing. Also, we are working to launch the taxation platform, so like a Binance Tax, to help Romanians calculate crypto tax, because it's complicated, especially when you do a lot of the transactions on the platform. And recently we launched a new launch pad, so all our local users are also free to participate. So that's 3 things we are doing now.
Okay, how do you see the future of the crypto industry evolving, and what role do you think Binance will play in this evolution?
Yeah, so definitely there is just one way to prevent what happened last year and to build a safe freedom of using money and using blockchain in the daily lives of people. There is only one way: to build a balanced regulation to protect the risk and enable open development of the blockchain and the Web3 business. So that's the evolution we expect. When the MiCA comes in place, the European regulation, we believe that it's going to be booming in Romania and other Central and Eastern Europe. And Binance, as the responsible leader of the industry, will continue working with the regulators to help them apply the regulation as soon as possible, and of course protect our users and build for our users.
Well, we will see that some banks from USA just closed, and how this situation can or maybe cannot influence the cryptocurrency and blockchain.
Yeah, so that's an interesting situation. Usually when there was a problem with the stock exchange, with banks, crypto industry were following in terms of the going down. However, now it's a unique situation. Bank stocks are going down, but the cryptocurrency is rising, and that's basically the reason why cryptocurrency exists, to enable the freedom of money. But I don't think we're going to be changing a lot of our strategy. We're just going to keep our heads down and continue getting the feedback from our community and building the best product for our users locally.
Kyrylo, thank you so much for your interview at CryptoKTV.
Thank you very much. Thanks for having me.